The week before laying, they both play in the nest box. They play house. They sit in there for hours. They like water, and they have little bird baths for forever. And he's the grey one, he gets very territorial. He's out, he's attacking my feet. Yeah. He's very daring, very brave. Yeah, I'm leaving. Okay, he's run me off. He's just waiting, checking to see whether or not I'm coming back. Watch, here we go again. Ow, that hurt. Okay, he's running further off this time. Okay, he's done it. He's good. Defended his territory. Ah, Babylon. Mating becomes more frequent, of course, with a little bit more gusto, a little bit more purpose. Oh, cranky. Have a look what's in the nest box today.